Start.
Start.
Happy bro. You can share. I start.
I think lyrics is also going.
No, no. No screen is shared. You can directly start over
No,
here.
past 15 is lyrics. No?
No, you will be sharing your thumbnail.
Okay.
Yeah. You shared, huh?
My audio is fine, right? Audio is fine, right, bro? Audio is fine, right?
Yeah.
Okay, everyone. Okay, I'll start. I think I'll start.
Yeah.
Right?
Let's start.
Yeah. Good afternoon, all. So I hope you can hear me. So the purpose of today's session is basically to show you how you can place some trades in CryptX, our own crypto trading exchange. So I'm going to show you with some of the positions that I'm looking forward to create as well. So let's start with my BTC INR trades that I'm watching out for. So I hope you can see the screen right now. So this is the charts of BTC INR. So for friends who haven't yet signed up on CryptX India, I would highly recommend you to go ahead and sign up on CryptX India straight away. I'm also just sharing the link for you guys to sign up on CryptX India over here. So just go ahead and sign up on CryptX India if you haven't signed up on our platform yet. So today, if I look into the charts of BTC INR, I'm taking out the charts of BTC INR on the daily time frame to begin with. So this is the daily time frame charts that we are looking at to start off with. Okay. So the daily time frame, it looks the chart is looking really bearish. So if we see Bitcoin from almost 1 crore 10 lakhs, it has dropped down to 91 lakhs at the moment. Okay, so current trading prices at 91 lakhs 47,000. So the structure right now, as far as I am concerned, the structure basically looks bearish. Due to the same reason, I am also keen on checking out for short side opportunities. Now from the daily time frame, I'm coming down to the hourly time frame. Okay, so I'm coming down to the hourly time frame from the daily time frame. So in the hourly time frame, if I'm looking at the structure of the charts, again it is forming a lower low, lower high formation. That is a bearish trend. Okay, so I'll just draw this down for you. So if I'm to look at this chart structure, this is how the chart structure is looking like. It is forming lower lows and lower highs. So every time the fresh low that is getting formed, it is lower than the previous low. So that is how the pattern is getting formed at this specific point in time as far as BTC is concerned. So I'm just clearing the charts. So keeping all these things in our mind, it would be more ideal for one to actually watch out for sell side setups, because the overall structure, the overall trend, everything is looking bearish.
WhatsApp.
My WhatsApp. Right?
To see the charts.
Oh, okay. Okay, cool. So sorry for the inconvenience, guys. OBS is on, no? Yeah. Okay, I'll open it parallelly here. It's fine. Leave it. Okay. I have signed up. Okay, I'll answer all your queries. Don't worry, guys. Don't worry, guys. Like I'll answer all your queries. Don't worry about that. Okay. Yeah. So as I was telling you, the overall structure is still continuing to look bearish. In the daily time frame, the price action is definitely bearish, and that is not only the case of Bitcoin. Okay. So that is not only the case of Bitcoin, it is the same case with almost all the other coins out there. The structure is definitely looking bearish. Okay, due to the same reason, I'm looking out only to trade short opportunities. So this is the hourly time frame chart that I'm looking at. So as you guys all know, we get better risk reward ratios when we go ahead and trade reversal trading opportunities. Due to the same reason, what I'm going to trade today, or what I'm personally watching out to trade today is, I saw the price after being bearish, it found a bounce, that is, it found a support over here from where the price managed to pick up. Okay, I'll just mark it down for you. So this is a level that held as a good support for Bitcoin. Okay, so this particular price level actually held as a good support level for Bitcoin, and from there the price managed to bounce up. Now this is the region where the price of Bitcoin has been consolidating. Okay, so right now I'm looking at the charts in the hourly time frame. So this is one particular region where the price of BTC has been consolidating. So this is the region where it has been in a consolidation in a tight range. Okay, so now from the hourly time frame, if I am to come down into the 50 minutes time frame, I would look out to trade my setup in the 15 minutes time frame. So let me tell you what I'm keen on doing, or what I'm interested in trading right now is, I'm interested in shorting the markets. That is, I'm interested in selling the markets once the price manages to break this particular low. That is, once the price manages to break this particular low. So once the low of this particular candle is getting broken, so this is the candle that I'm looking at, and 91 lakhs is the level that I'm looking forward to trade. So once Bitcoin manages to pierce below 91 lakhs, I'm interested in shorting BTC with my stop loss at around 92 lakhs, expecting the price to move towards 89 lakhs. So I'm looking out for a 1:2 risk reward ratio trade over here. So it is basically a 1:2 risk reward ratio trade that I'm watching out to trade. Okay, and the risk in this particular trade, so as far as this particular setup is concerned, the risk that I'm interested in taking is like 2 lakh rupees. So per Bitcoin, the risk would be around 1 lakh. So that's the reason I'm trading 2 Bitcoin. I'm interested in taking a risk of around 2 BTC. If the trade comes in my favor, I would be able to make around 4 lakh. Okay. So I'll also show you how to place trades on our platform. So I'll show you how you can place trades too. So let's assume that here I want to enter with a stop loss market order. That is, only once the price manages to break below 91 lakhs, I want to go ahead with a short. Okay, so I can mention how many quantity I want to trade. Okay, so the bare minimum quantity that you can be trading on the platform is 0.002 BTC. Okay, for 0.002 BTC with 20x leverage, the capital requirement that you need, or the margin requirement needed, is around just 1000 rupees. So let's assume I want to go ahead with a short once the price manages to break 91 lakhs. So I'll mention my stop price to be 91 lakhs. Okay, quantity I want to be trading is the minimum quantity, which is 0.002 BTC, and I can also set my take profit and stop loss also. The take profit that I would keep in this particular trade is going to be 89 lakhs. Okay, so for I made a mistake, guys. It's a sell position. So yeah, so my take profit is going to be 89 lakhs. Okay, so 400 rupees is going to be my profit if the trade is coming in my favor. I'll confirm my take profit order. Now stop loss, I can actually keep my stop loss to be around 92 lakhs. Okay, that is, my loss is going to be 200 rupees if the trade is going against me. So I can confirm these two figures, and then I can actually go ahead and place a sell short order. So as soon as I place the order comes to the exchange, comes in as a pending order. So my earlier order of 2 BTC sell that has been placed, that is also there pending, and the current 0.002 BTC order that I placed, that is also there in the order book at the exchange right now. So this is how you can place orders on our platform. It's pretty simple. So I will cancel all the pending orders and show you again. So for me to cancel all the orders, I can just click cancel orders, and all the orders can be cancelled off. So let me show you once again. Okay, So my risk is like 1 lakh rupee, 90 lakh, 91 lakhs is my entry, stop loss is at 92 lakhs. So 1 lakh is my risk. So 1 BTC if I trade, 1 lakh is the risk. I'm comfortable in taking a 2 lakh risk per trade as per my capital. So 2 BTC I can trade. Okay. So 2 BTC I'm trading. Target stop loss is already set like I showed you earlier. I can just click on the sell short order and the order goes to the exchange waiting for my entry to be triggered. So just like I pointed out to you, only once the price manages to break below this particular level that I'm watching out for, that is where my entry is going to happen. So once again, my entry is going to happen only once the price manages to break below this particular level. So till then my order would be pending. Okay, now there could be some of you who could actually ask me, okay, you are bearish on Bitcoin and you feel that this level is going to be broken now. Okay, so do you need to wait for this particular level to be broken, or can I take a trade right now itself? Because in the 50 minutes time frame, this is what I wanted to trade. The structure is already broken. I wanted to straight away go with an entry. So in that case, you can go with a market entry also. So I will also show you a market entry. Maybe 1 Bitcoin I'll short at the market price. At the current price, I'll short 1 Bitcoin because the structure is looking weak. So let's go ahead with the market entry. Target and stop loss the same. So for 1 Bitcoin, I'm placing a market entry where the other 2 Bitcoin is waiting as a pending order at the exchange for the levels to be broken. So I'm going ahead and clicking the sell short button. So you can see that the order has been filled like really fast. So right now I have a short position in 1 Bitcoin and 2 Bitcoin. My orders are still pending at the exchange. Okay, so this is how you place your order. Now I look forward to take some questions from your end. So people in the chat, if you have some questions, you can ask. So we have this particular question coming in. Who makes the market for CryptX? Who is a liquidity provider? So yeah, we have multiple LPs out there, and we are having only 1,000 users at our exchange. So today we have crossed this 1,000 user like mark, and we are aggregating liquidity from all the other LPs out there. Okay, and that's what all the crypto exchanges out there in India does. Okay, I'm getting this question. I have signed before yesterday but unable to deposit money. So guys, if you're facing any struggle in depositing the money, I would recommend you to create a support ticket. Okay, kindly create a support ticket. So I know some of your support tickets has not been answered. We faced a huge rush in the last 2-3 days. So in the last 2-3 days, people who signed up, maybe we have not been able to get back to you yet. But today, by end of the day, for sure you'll get back response. So kindly come to the profile page, click on the support section, and go ahead and create a support ticket on our website itself, and we'll actually just reach out to you. So I would please recommend you to create a support ticket on the website. So there are some already existing articles related to transferring funds from SBI Bank, HDFC Bank, all those things to CryptX. How you can deposit from your bank account to CryptX India, all those things is already there. But I would highly recommend you to submit a ticket on our website itself, and my team will reach out to you. Okay, so kindly do that. I'm also getting a question like, haven't got the giveaway. Okay, so Sriram Prabhu, yes, we will be giving it to you. So my team is Divyanand and Nihin is actively working on it. So like is with respect to the giveaway, you'll definitely be getting it. Don't worry. So can they expect a mail today?
Yeah.
You guys will be getting a mail regarding this. So kindly keep a track of your mail. Could you please tell me about the limit order? Yes, I'll definitely do that. Okay, so as far as limit orders are concerned, let's say that this is the case of BTC. Just for demonstration purpose, let's assume I want to place a limit order that I want to go ahead with a sell only when the price is above 91 lakhs 60,000. Okay, only when the price is above 91 lakhs 60,000, I want to go ahead with a sell. So I can keep it like this. So 91 lakhs 60,000, I can place a limit order, sell short. So I place that order. So you can see that the order has come to the exchange. It is pending over here. See. So it's very simple. You can just click the limit. You can actually just place your limit price where you want to go ahead with the entry, and then you can go ahead and take up a trade. It's not something complicated, it's something pretty much straightforward. So I'm just cancelling it right now because this was just for demonstration purpose. Okay, so currently the one BTC short that we created is running at a gain of almost 4k, where the 2 BTC short that we are watching out to take is still pending at the exchange. So as soon as this low is getting triggered, that 2 BTC short is going to be created at the exchange. Okay, so let's see how it goes. We're getting this question today. I placed the order in the morning but didn't get executed. Maybe you place a limit order and the price never approached that point. Otherwise, there is no other issue that it is not going to get executed. I'm showing it to you live in front of you guys. Even after connecting support, there is no help on API integration and algo trading. Venkatesh Pi 2334. So kindly allow today's time. Okay, today by end of the day you will actually get a resolution to your concern. Okay, kindly allow today's time. We'll make it a point that if you were looking out an integration, you'll get it. I lost some money in a technical glitch in a different exchange. Have you done some stress testing for the volatile days? Okay, so Dhruv, you can experience the platform by yourself. So as far as our platform is concerned, our platform has been built for scale. Okay, and we have like different servers where our systems are hosted. Okay, so I don't think you will basically have any particular concerns with respect to liquidity, howsoever volatile the markets are going to be. Okay, you can definitely try out our platform and figure it out by yourself. Okay, I'm pretty sure that you would love it. So today we have also launched crypto options. Okay, we have also launched with crypto options. Okay, we have also launched with crypto options, so you can explore that too. I entered a position, then when I tried to add target and stop loss, the button. Okay, Jay, there could have been a way, there could have been a mistake in what you did. I'll show it to you. Okay, I'll show it to you. Don't worry. 30 to order profit. Okay, that just check with our team, Abdul. Definitely you can check with your team. Okay, what algo you're running, you can check with our team. Can you send the platform link? Okay, so you can go ahead and sign up on our platform. So the link to our platform is www.cryptexindia.com. So this is the link to our website. Okay, www.cryptexindia.com. You can just go ahead and sign up there. Would you speak about? Okay, fine. Before that I had a question that I wanted to show. Okay, so some of you were basically asking that if you entered, okay, if you basically start off with a trade, or if you actually enter off with a trade with a market order, how do you separately go ahead and keep your target and stop loss? Okay, I'll just show you an example. So for that purpose, since I already have some positions in BTC, let me probably show you some other pair where we can take a trade. Let's take Ethereum. Okay, for that case. So let's assume that Ethereum is also giving us a setup, probably to create a short. Okay. So let's say that I want to create a short position in Ethereum and I'm entering the trade without a target. Okay, I'll consider shorting maybe one Ethereum. Okay, and I'm probably entering the trade without a target or a stop loss. I created a short, so the order basically got executed at the market price. Okay, now for me to keep a target price or stop loss, one Ethereum is what I traded. I need to keep a stop loss. Okay, so assume that I want to keep my stop loss at 3 lakhs 2000. Okay, 3 lakhs 2500 is where I want to go ahead and keep my stop loss. So what I would do is I'll just come here, TP or SSL. Okay, I'll just mention the quantity that I want to keep for stop loss. So the full one Ethereum I want to keep a stop loss at 3 lakh 4000. So I'll set my stop loss price at 3 lakh 4000. Okay, so my estimated loss is going to be around 9k in this particular trade if the trade is going to be against me. So my stop loss has been set. So there's this option called is for a short, right? Stop loss 3 lakh 4000. Okay, so yeah, there is this thing that I have to keep for my target also, but if I don't want, I can just click the confirm button and click on confirm. Yeah, then my stop loss is set. I don't know what and where you place the concern. Okay, I don't know where you got a concern. Okay, so that's how you place the stop loss order separately after you enter into a short position manually. Now if I want to keep a target order, here itself I can keep a target order. So take profit, let's say assume that one quantity, take profit, what I want to do is like one quantity. Okay, and assume that I want to keep my target at 2,60,000. This is an example. So 2,60,000 is where I want to keep my target. Okay, so and I can just click on the confirm order, and then my order will basically go to the exchange. So you can see that 2,60,000 my target would have also come. Now if I want to modify my target, I can modify my target by drag and drop. So by just dragging and dropping also you can modify your target. So you need not necessarily edit it over here. By just dragging and dropping too, you can also modify your target. By just dragging and dropping also, you can actually modify your target. So that is also possible. Okay, so that is also possible for you. That's also a possible way for you to modify your targets. I go the algo integrated with my account. I see BTC USDT, ETH USDT, and I saw your messages on BTC INR. So don't worry, Jayan. So that will also be included for you. Nothing to do from your end. It will be done from our team. It will be included for you. May have the link to integrate algo. Okay, so if you sign up on cryptexindia.com, then our team would actually be reaching out to you. So my team would actually be reaching out to you, and they will basically help you with your queries, everything. So don't worry. If you want to do an algo integration, or if you want to connect some algos to the crypto exchange, you can connect with my team. When they call you, you can actually just tell them that you want to make use of this algo facility, and they will help you with the integration part. Cool. Can we do partial booking? Yes, you can definitely do partial booking on our platform. So this is one of the features that we offer. So as I mentioned, like this is my take profit order for Ethereum, right? I can cancel this order. Okay, and let me show you a partial booking case. So let's say that I want to book 0.5 ETH. Okay, I want to book profits for 0.5 Ethereum at around 2,50,000. Okay, let's assume at 2,50,000 I want to book profits for just 0.5 Ethereum, and the rest 0.5 Ethereum I want to book, the rest 0.5 Ethereum I want to book at 2 lakhs. Okay, so I can keep partial booking also. So that way 50% of my quantity is going to be booked over here, and the rest 50% is going to be booked somewhere else. So all these things can be done on our platform. You can definitely consider doing that. You can definitely explore it. Okay, once again I'll show you. If you want to do a partial booking, so here I have created one Ethereum short. So if I want to keep a target of, let's say, 2,80,000 and 2,70,000 for my this is my take profit order. So 0.5 Ethereum, let's say I want to book 0.5 Ethereum at 2,80,000. Okay, now the rest 0.5 Ethereum I want to be booking this at 2,70,000. Okay, sorry. So in that case, if I have added both my targets, one target is at 2,80,000, the other target is at 2,70,000. If I confirm the order, then this order will basically come to the exchange, and you can see both my take profits that is pending. So 0.5 Ethereum that is pending at 2,80,000, and the rest 0.5 Ethereum that is pending at 2,70,000. So you can definitely see this on our crypto exchange. You can try it out for yourself. Definitely it is going to be a very useful feature. This is definitely going to be a very useful feature for all of you. Why? Because many times people struggle with partial profit booking. That is, maybe the price is giving a big move, but you are not able to capitalize on the big move. Why? Because you probably come out with a very small profit. So in order to avoid that, it is always good that you have partial profits. So for example, yesterday I created a short position in Bitcoin. Okay, so if you have a look at my trade history, yesterday the position that I took, I booked around 4.6 lakh rupees profit. But after that, Bitcoin came down to did a even bigger fall. show you on the charts itself. So this is where I shorted Bitcoin yesterday. So this is where I had shorted Bitcoin yesterday. It gave a fall to almost 89 lakhs. I booked my profits at 91 lakhs. So I could have made another 4 lakhs if I was holding on to the trade. This fall happened late at the night. Okay, if I had held on to the trade, I could have made another extra 4 lakhs profit. So this is why the concept of partial booking everything is very important. So you can keep partial targets. All those things can be done on our platform. You'll definitely find it really valuable. So people who haven't signed up on CryptX India yet, I would highly recommend you to go ahead and sign up on our exchange, CryptX India. And right now, our exchange is the one that provides the cheapest charges for crypto derivatives trading. You don't have to be doing you don't have to be paying 1% TDS on your deposits. And another good part about our platform is you can offset your losses in our exchange. And on top of all those things, you can basically be what do you say, not be paying the 30% capital gains tax. All those benefits you'll be getting. Okay. So I'll take some questions from your end. Can we do a deposit in INR and move to? You can not do that. No, you can't. Yes, we do have a refer and earn section. Okay, for anyone who is basically referring users, you guys will be getting a flat 20% commission on the charges that is paid, and your friend would actually be getting a 10% discount on the trading fee. Okay, so your friend would be getting a 10% discount on the trading fee, and you would be getting a 20% referral commission for yourself. We do have a provision for refer and earn. Okay, how do we do coin selection for trading? I majorly trade only Bitcoin and Ethereum. Okay, I majorly trade only Bitcoin and Ethereum. So these are the only two pairs that I personally stick on for trading. However, you want to trade on the other pairs, we do have a wide variety of pairs that is actually available for trading on our platform. We do have a very wide variety of pairs that is available for trading on our platform. You can actually explore that. Okay. Does it have cost for sign up? No. You don't have any cost for sign up. Same way for deposits, you don't have any cost. You can actually deposit free of cost. For withdrawals also, there is no other cost that is involved. Yes, your friend can also get that. How is the payment policy? Do you have cost for sign up? No, we don't have any cost for sign up, nor do we have any separate cost for withdrawals. So both the things are complementary. How to keep alerts on charts on CryptX? See, at the moment, what we have integrated is the trading view charts. Okay, on CryptX. Right now, what we have basically integrated is the trading view charts itself. You can have a bigger view. Okay, you can basically have a bigger view and watch out. But for you to set up alerts, we don't have a provision at the moment. For that, you need to have your own separate trading view account. Okay, to be having a separate trading view account. Any referral bonus are there? There's no referral bonus, but we do have a referral scheme. How much minimum capital to run the algo is 5,000 rupees. 5,000 rupees is a bare minimum capital that is required to run the algo. 5,000 rupees. Will algo also split the take profit? No, our algos right now don't have a split in take profit. It is a single exit that happens at the moment. Okay. Any trade taken in algo right now, I'll actually have to check. This account is not integrated to the algo. I'll have to check. The confirm button was not working. Just go to know that we have to click and split first. Yeah, you have to split the order and then you can click on the confirm button. If I trade 0.1 BTC, I want to book partial at T1. Will that be possible? Yes, you can definitely do that, Sudipto. You can definitely do that. Okay, you can definitely do partial booking. All those things can be done. Could you explain the maker and taker fee? Is there any way to add money using UPI? Yes, we are coming out with a provision to add funds using UPI. Okay, we are basically coming with a new function to add funds using API. That is definitely coming soon. Okay. Is 5k minimum capital sufficient? Yes, it is minimum capital that is required is more than enough. Most of the algos are running in losses only. Okay, so once again I wanted to tell you, like if you have been using the algo for almost a month, sorry, not almost, for 2 weeks right now, you would have actually seen days when the algo has caught the entire fall. Okay, so when we speak about algo trading with a very small capital, obviously your drawdowns are actually going to be high. So these are systems that we are also running. Okay, and these are the same trades that we are also taking. Okay, so if you have a look at it, it's all about how you manage your risk. So there was a trade where we booked 4.5 lakh. There was a trade where we lost 3 lakhs. There was another trade where we made 2.6 lakhs, where we made 2.7 lakhs. There was a trade where we lost almost there was some trades where we actually lost around another 2 lakhs. So this is basically how it goes. So it's going to be both ups and downs. Okay, but at the end of the day, how you manage your risk, that is what matters. So for you to evaluate any particular trading algo, I would recommend you to spend at least a month of following a system will actually give you a bare minimum idea about how the system is. Okay, lesser than a month is too short a time to evaluate anything. Okay, most of the algos, okay, fine, I answer that. Is there any way to add money using UPI? Yes, we are coming out with a way for you to directly add funds through UPI. Okay, so you can definitely add funds through UPI in a month's time. So right now you have to do it through net banking. You have to do it through IMPS only. Okay, so you have to do it through IMPS only at the moment, but definitely in a month's time we'll have a provision for the same. So people who haven't signed up on CryptX India, you can go ahead and sign up right now. So some of you guys were actually complaining about you not having. Some of you guys were actually complaining about you guys not getting the call back from the support team. You'll get it back. You'll get a call back today, no matter what. Okay. Do we get notification on the algo takes trades? Yes, you'll be getting a notification on the algo takes trades. You'll be getting that. Okay. You'll be getting trades when the algo takes trades. Okay, some of you were asking about the maker fee and taker fee. See, maker fee are basically the fees that is accompanied when you place orders at the limit price, limit orders. When you place limit orders, when you are placing limit orders, that is when the maker fee is applicable. Okay, on the other hand side, when you actually place market orders, that is when the taker fee is applicable. In general, the taker fee is higher as compared to the maker fee. Right now, the notification that you get with respect to the algo taking the orders is only from the website. Okay, that is, if you have your account open, you have your email ID, you'll be getting the mails coming in your email every time there is a mail. Every time there is an order that is being pushed in, you will get a mail from CryptX India. So that is how you would be getting the mails as of now, notification. We will soon be rolling out our own mobile app, so by then you will get it on your mobile app. Other than that, right now it is going to be on your mail that will get the notification. And on top of that, whenever there is a trade that we are watching out for, there is notification that is being shared in Discord. Okay, so we do share the notification in Discord. Okay, so whenever we are basically looking at a trade, we basically post the notifications in our Discord also, so you can keep a track of Discord. There also you can actually follow what all trades, everything that is being taken. So I look forward to take some questions from your end. If no queries are there, I think I'll end this session. But before I end this session, I just wanted to say that we have rolled out with crypto options also. Okay, so right now you can start. So there are two pairs that we have started trading in. One is BTC USDT and the other one is ETH USDT. Okay, so now hereafter you can actually buy crypto options. We do have daily expiries in crypto options. So for example, let's assume that I have a bearish view on Bitcoin. Okay, so let's assume I have a bearish view on Bitcoin. Currently the price of BTC is 1 crore 1 lakh. Okay, it's in BTC USDT. Okay, it's in 100,000. Okay, currently let's say the price of BTC USDT is 100,000, $687. So let's say here I want to buy this put option 100,500. Okay, I want to buy the 100,500. Once again, here also minimum quantity is there. If I want, I can buy 1 BTC. I can see what is the margin that is going to be a premium that has to be paid. Is going to be around 645 USDT. Okay, so you can see how much USDT is available as a balance over here. That can also be seen. So you can enter as a market order. You can also enter as a limit order. All those things can actually be done on our platform. Okay, that's something pretty advanced. So now if I want to just trade for 0.1 lot, I need 64 USDT. So 64 USDT is going to be the US dollar that is going to be blocked. So I can try buying a put option at the market price, limit price, or whatever I want. Okay, so let's see the case of Bitcoin itself, and let's once again create a view for Bitcoin. So with respect to futures, the position that we took right now are both running in loss. Okay, so let's say I'm getting a bearish view. I feel that Bitcoin is going to fall down. Okay, my view is bearish. My anticipation is that BTC is going to continue dropping down. It's going to break this and continue falling down. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead with a buy on the put option side. Okay, so time to expiry is also shown over here. So this particular contract will expire in the next 20 hours 44 minutes. Okay, that is when this contract will expire. So you have daily expiries. That is one really good part. Okay, daily expiries is available, monthly expiries is available. Also you do have weekly expiries. Okay, so let's trade today's expiry only. The next expiry, that is going to be on 6/11 tomorrow. I have a bearish view, and let me just go ahead and buy a Bitcoin put option, 101,500 put option. Let me just go ahead and buy. Okay, so if I'm selecting this, you want to buy, you want to sell, what you want to do, all those things can be selected over here. If you want, you can also trade in Ethereum. So if you want, you can also trade in Ethereum. Okay, so let's try placing an order for a 0.1 BTC, and let me go ahead with a buy put option at the market price. Okay, so let me just go ahead with it at the market price. So 53 USDT is going to be the margin that is going to be utilized, the premium that I pay. So my maximum limit is limited, loss is limited to this $54. So I would be okay to risk this particular $54. I'm going to place an order. So here it is showing me what my break even is, what is my maximum loss. That is, I need Bitcoin to fall below $100,445 to be break even. Okay, all those things is basically being shown over here. What my break even point is, what is my maximum loss, what is the IV, what is the required margin, all these aspects are basically shown over here. So this basically helps you take better or more well-informed decisions on your trades when you are actually looking into this particular chart. So I'm confirming the order. I entered with a market order. So yeah, I have actually entered into a trade. So right now this trade is running at around 2 USDT loss. That is $2 loss almost. Okay, so it's running at almost 2 USDT. That is like almost $2 loss at the moment. So all those things are there. So all those things can definitely be done on our platform. So I hope you liked our platform. I hope you are finding some really good infrastructure and really good trading tools on our platform, and I hope you love it. So that's basically how you trade on CryptX India. So we are a new crypto exchange, and we are open to take your feedback and suggestions. So do let us know your feedback. Do let us know what all features that you would like to have on the platform as we move forward. So we're more than happy to do all of it for you guys. So I would definitely thank each one of you for your time to attend this particular session. So any last questions, you can just let me know. Else I think I'll just wind up for now. So we are waiting for the trade in our BTC INR. Okay, so we are still waiting for our entry. So I have entered one BTC even before my entry levels got triggered. But yeah, that's fine because I'm really bearish on BTC. So it's actually fine that I took an entry even before my actual entry happened. Okay, so if some questions are there, you can just let me know. Otherwise, you can always reach out to us also. So any questions are there, you can definitely let us know. So any questions are there, you can definitely let us know. Yeah, definitely we'll do that. Moving forward, we'll look forward to do. Okay, definitely we'll look forward to do as per your suggestions and feedback. We'll definitely look forward to do that. Okay. So thank you for your time. Okay, thank you for your time. I'm just ending the session right now. Thank you all. Have a great day.